Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're going to show you how to make Thor in Infinite Craft. This is very easy. All you have to do is follow step by step. So firstly, we're gonna grab wind and then earth and more earth to a planet. Leave this aside. Then we're gonna add wind and more wind to have tornado, add to the planet to have cyclone, then we add planet to have Jupiter, add tornado to have Zeus. Leave this aside, we add planet and fire to have sun, add more fire and planet to have system, add fire to have computer, add system to have software, add earth to have game, then we add computer to have gamer, and we add game to have gaming. Add this to Zeus and we have God of War. Then we add earth to have Thor. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.